Unlock your online presence and reach a wider audience by building a professional or fan page on Facebook, distinct from your personal profile. First, log into your Facebook account and locate the Pages option in the left sidebar menu on your homepage. Click on it to begin the creation process. Next, you'll see an option to create new page. Click this button. You will then be prompted to provide a name for your page. Choose a clear, descriptive name that reflects your business, brand, or community. After naming your page, select the most relevant category from the drop-down menu to help people find your page. Then, write a concise and engaging description that summarizes what your page is about. Once you've filled in these details, click Create Page. Your new page will load, and the next crucial step is to add a profile picture. This is often the first visual impression users will have of your page. Following the profile picture, upload a captivating cover photo that complements your brand and appeals to your target audience. This larger image provides more space to showcase your identity. To make your page more functional, consider adding action buttons like Send Message, Shop Now, or Learn More. These buttons guide visitors to take specific actions. Finally, navigate to your page's About section to fill in important details such as contact information, website, business hours, and location. The more complete your information, the easier it is for people to connect with you. And there you have it. Your professional Facebook page is now set up and ready for you to establish your online presence and engage with your audience. Good luck.